Hello guys, I want to cook okra soup and I want to show you how I do it. This is my crayfish and pepper meat with the meat stock. These are my fishes and stock fishes. This is my okra and my ugu. Onions, salt and other spices, red oil. So now that it has fried to my satisfaction, I'm going to put my meat and meat stock. And some water, little. Then I'll put my salt and seasonings and allow it to boil for a while. I forgot to buy iru. There is an ingredient called iru. Forgot to buy it. Okay, but I have a substitute. I have a substitute for this iru. Let me bring it. Look at my iru substitute. This one is called Ukpaka. Some call it Oba. See, if you don't buy this, my idea. Cook without it. I'm gonna put my vegetables. You can see my vegetables in here. I'm just gonna cook this for 5 minutes and this soup is done and ready.